everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to calculate average in Excel. So let's get started. So we have the sales report of XYZ company in millions from January all the way to April 2023. We have the sales representatives of the company and the sales they have made in each month. So we want to know on average how much sales does each representative bring to the company. So we shall do the average in this column. So to begin, put your cursor in the cell that you need to do the calculations, then type equal sign, then type average, and the formula just pops up. So you can continue typing or just double click on it. So the next thing is selecting the range of data that we need to do the average on. So we shall select cell C5 and then drag to the right all the way to cell F5 because we need to do the average of Joel in the 4 months. So once you're done, close the brackets and press enter. So Joel sales average is 31.25. Okay, so to find the average of the other representatives, we need to drag the formula. So put your cursor here and double click, and you can see we have the average of the other representatives. So what if you don't want to select the way I did all the cells? You just need to average 2 months. What do? Let's repeat the process, then type average. Okay, then in this case, just select specific cell. So let's do the average of January, then put a comma and then select March. Then once you're done, close the bracket and press enter. So we have the average of the 2 months here, and it's as easy as that. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.